Yes, good evening, children. Within Abdullah and Umema, children, put on your camera quickly. Children, please put on your camera. Abdullah and Umema.
Yes, ma'am.
Umema, your camera is off.
1 minute.
So, children, in the last class, we completed till question number 5. Right? But then you were not there in the last class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so but then in the last class, did you watch the recording? Did you watch
Yeah,
it?
ma'am.
If you miss any class, please watch the recording, okay? So that in the next class, you know what we were doing and all. Right?
Okay.
Yeah. So now, children, in the last class, we completed the examples of the second exercise. Just one example is left. I'll explain this and then we will be moving ahead to the second exercise. Right? So now, children, this question says, in an isosceles triangle ABC, so ABC they are telling you is an isosceles. What is the meaning of an isosceles triangle? What is the meaning of an isosceles triangle? Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, what is the meaning of isosceles? Now, this thing, though, you should know, right? Isosceles, everybody knows.
Ma'am,
Yeah, the measures of
isosceles
the
is a triangle.
Yes, Ammar?
Isosceles is a triangle with three sides. Something.
3 sides are equal. Then what is an equilateral? And Ammar, first of all, put on your camera and then answer.
My camera is not on. Okay, ma'am. Sorry. This one.
Abdullah, do you hear me? Children, an isosceles triangle is basically the one that has 2 sides equal. Nobody is answering. So here it is given to you that ABC is an isosceles triangle. And what 2 sides are they telling you equal? That AB is equals to AC. Right? And then it says, so this is given, D and E are points on side BC such that BE and CD are equal. So BE line is equal to CD line. CD is this line and BE is the upper line. So these lines are also equal to one another. Now the question says that show that AD is equals to AE. Where is AD? AD is this line. You have to prove AD and AE are equal. Right? So what is given in the question? Given is AB equals to AC. Then BE equals to CD. Now tell me one thing. It is also given to you that ABC is an isosceles triangle. So which 2 angles will be equal if ABC is isosceles?
ABC and ACB.
Very good. This angle and this angle will be equal to one another. Why, children? Because in an isosceles triangle, the base angles of the equal sides are equal. Okay, like this side is equal to this side. So look at the base angles. The base angle becomes angle B and angle C. So angle B and angle C will be equal, right? Then, so this also comes in the given part only, since it's given that it's an isosceles. So write angle AB. Let's call this. Let's just write angle B. Okay. Why? I'll tell you in a while, but just write angle B is equals to angle C. Okay. Now what you have to do is what you have to prove? So write to prove that AD is equal to AE. Okay. Now, children, what I will do is I will take, see, AD is over here and AD comes over here. So, children, can I take these two small triangles? This triangle and this triangle, can I take? The line is coming in both of them, both the lines are coming in either of the triangle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so now children, what happens over here is, see, this side is equal to this side already given. So proof, how will we write? Proof, first of all, AB is equal to AC, side is equal. Then angle B is equal to angle C. One angle is equal. Now, what will I do is, children, I have BE, BE and CD are equal. Children, BE line and CD line has this part in common. They both have DE in common. And if I remove D from both of the parts, I will have BD and EC with me. So what will I do? I will do BE minus DE is equals to CD minus DE. Both the sides I have subtracted DE, and BE minus DE will give me BD and CD minus DE will give me CE. Right? So I have this side is equal to this side. So these both the blue color triangles are congruent by the SAS congruency. See children, I will explain you once again. AB and AC already given to us that they are equal. Angle B and angle C are equal by, since it's an, like, because AB and AC are equal, so the base angles are equal. How did I get BD and EC equal? So it was already given to me that this line, look here, this line is equal to this line. Okay. And both of them have one part in common. And what is the part? DE part. This much part was common. And if I eliminate this part from both the equal things, I will have my required line BD and EC I will have. So you will form
Yes,
the
ma'am.
statements that BE is equal to CD, and then you will write minus DE on both the sides, and then you will have BD is equals to C. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so children, you can do it like this. So quickly do this question and tell me if you have doubts. Or children, wait, for the examples, you will take screenshots. The exercise questions, I'll give you time to take a screenshot, all of you. And if anybody didn't understand, I can explain again.
Done, ma'am. Ma'am, done.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, the next question says that there is an isosceles triangle ABC with AB and AC equal. The bisector of angle B and angle C are intersecting each other at point O. Show that join A to O and show that OB and OC are equal, AO bisects angle A. Okay, so first of all, here the figure is not given to you. So that means in this question, you have to draw the figure. So first of all, let's draw the figure. What does the question say? In an isosceles triangle ABC. So I will draw a triangle ABC. That's isosceles. A, B, C. And they've also given to you that AB and AC are equal. Okay. Next, what is given? The bisector of angle B and angle C are intersecting each other at point O. So children, what is the bisector of angle B? Angle B is this one and angle C is this one. Their bisector will meet at this point. Point O, and then they are saying you join AO. And what is the question then? show that OB and OC are equal. So where is OB? First, let's write what is given. Given is AB equals AC, angle B equals angle C, then OB, see OB is the bisector, so let's just write this angle is equal to this angle. So let's call, see, now whenever you have a complex figure and many angles, you will number them. That's also a correct way. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 2. So see, angle B and angle C are equal. So the bisectors are also equal. That means angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equal to angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So all the four small angles are also equal to one angle, right? You get
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Now what you have to prove? To prove OB line is equal to OC line. That is only the question. OB is equal to OC. Yeah. So children, now tell me which two triangles should I take? Tell me which two triangles should I take in order to prove OB and OC equal? Tell me.
Ma'am, you can take triangle AOB and BOC.
Angle
BOC and COA.
BOC and
COA. Triangle. Ma'am, did you
Oh.
ask triangle or angle?
I'm asking you, look at the question carefully. Listen, I'm asking you, in order to prove OB and OC equal, which two triangles should I take and prove to be congruent? See, anything I have to prove equal in this lesson, I have to first go by congruency.
Yes.
Copy this much down, children. Copy this much down, and then tell me which triangles should we take.
Ma'am, ABO and ACO. Ma'am, ABO and ACO.
ABO and ACO, very good. And then next, what we can do?
Done.
1 second. Yes, children. Let's discuss the solution. Copy till here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, children, first of all, who told me AOB and AOC?
Ma'am,
Yeah, Abdullah. See, we can take AOB and AOC and then prove them to be congruent and everything, but I have a shorter method also for this. And what is that method? Now, children, you focus on this triangle. Focus on this triangle. And now I have in triangle ABOC, angle 2 is equals to angle 3. And children, do you remember in the last class we studied, if two base angles are equal, then the triangle is isosceles. So, thus triangle BOC is isosceles, and if it's an isosceles triangle and angle 2 and angle 3 are equal, then which two sides becomes equal? BO and CO becomes E. Okay? You can write it like this. BO and CO becomes equal. Now the next part says AO bisects angle A. So children, now for AO to bisect angle A, what do I have to do is, I have to prove this angle is equal to this angle, right? And so what will I do? I will now take this triangle. This is my first triangle that I will take. And this is the second triangle. So look children, this is the first triangle that I am taking. This is the second triangle that I am taking. I have to prove them congruent. So very easy. How will I prove them congruent? I have AB and AC equal. This line is equal to this line. This angle is equal to this angle. Angle 1 is equals to angle 4. Then I also have OB and OC equal. I just now proved OB and OC equal. So by which congruency are they both congruent? By SAS congruent.
SAS.
Triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC, and thus this angle is equal to this angle. And then you will say angle BAO is equal to angle CAO. Hence, AO is bisector of angle A. Okay. Now, children, you will write down the solution, but with all the steps, the way that I've taught you. Write down, like given and to prove, I've already written. Then write down point number 1, write down the first part of the solution. Point number 2, write down the second part. But you will write all the steps, like in triangle AOB and triangle AOC, AB equals to AC, given. Angle 1 equals to angle 4, given. OB and OC equal, in the bracket you write proved. And then you will write the entire statement. Thus, by SES congruency, this and this triangle are congruent, and thus by CPCT we have so and so angles equal, right? We'll write down all the statements.
Okay.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am, done.
No, ma'am. Last. Ma'am, wait, ma'am.
Okay, do it.
Done.
Done?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Show me your work, all of you. You've joined from 2 devices.
No, ma'am. Only one.
Okay, Abdullah, bring it a little closer. Yes, Abdullah, now this is your solution. Where are the steps? I told you that you have to write down all the steps, right? Next. Remember, I can't see. Okay. Yeah, I have all the steps. Good. Then Bibel, you show me. Okay, you've also written the steps. Hafsa, you?
No, it is screenshot because I don't have a book.
Hafsa, child, it's not allowed in every class that you are making same excuses. You're not having your textbook
No,
and your notebook, and most of the classes you don't have it. Either you are
no,
outside,
because
some or the other reason.
yeah, because I usually go outside and I'm supposed to come back home early, but I don't, so I just don't have a book.
Hafsa, see, child, this excuse I can accept in one or two classes. But you also know this is continuously happening in regularly all the classes, this thing is happening. You're not having your textbooks, you're not noting down anything. You're joining the class late, and you're even skipping the
Mom,
classes.
because Mom, it's because usually the prayer time is like literally the exact same time with the class, right? So I have to take turns.
Okay, fine, Hafsa, but you try to be regular and attentive in the class and sit with the note. Even if you're
Ma'am,
outside, you
should
can't
I
have
say
your
my solution?
notebook and then write it down, right? That's not a big deal.
Yeah, yeah, I was supposed to. I thought we were gonna come back home early, so I didn't carry a book.
Okay. Yeah, Amar, you show me yours. Fine, but not steps are not really mentioned clearly. You've just written this. You need to write the proper steps. Now, children, we've already done one exercise and many examples. We did examples of the first exercise, then we did the first exercise, then we did the examples of the second exercise. Now you should know how to frame the solutions on your own. The solution is in front of you. You just have to frame it. Next question, all of you. Second question says that you have a triangle ABC and AD is a perpendicular bisector. What does it mean to be a perpendicular bisector?
It's even of 90 degree and it is bisecting BC. It is like dividing BC into
Very
half.
good. It's even at 90 degree. It's dividing BC into two equal halves at 90-degree angles, right? So that means what is given to us? Given statement is BD equals DC. Angle ADB is 90 degree. Show that triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB and AC are equal to one another. What do you have to prove? To prove is AB equals to AC. So we shall write the proof. Children, very easy. What we will do is, we will take first of all this triangle. And the next, this one, the other triangle. And we will try to prove them congruent. Okay, and once I'm able to prove them congruent, I can write AB and AC are equal by CPCT, and if they are equal by CPCT, thus it's an isosceles triangle. So I can write down first of all BD is equals to DC. This line is equals to this line. Why? It's given in the question. Then I can write down angle ADB is equal to angle ADC because this is each 90. Then I can write down AD line is equal to AD line as it's a common line. So I have side, I have angle, I have a side. So I am using by SAS congruency triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD, and thus AB equals AC by CPCT, right? So children, this is the way that you form your statement, the statements of your solutions. Copy this quickly. Also, don't wait. This one, take a screenshot. It's an easy question only. Take a screenshot. Amar, why is your camera off?
Ma'am, I don't know why, ma'am. But here the camera is on, but the camera is not showing me.
Okay, let it be. Take a screenshot quickly.
Done.
All of you review this and tell me if you have any doubts.
Mom, done.
No, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Okay, children. Now come to the next one. It says that you have triangle ABC. No, you have ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are equal, are drawn to equal sides AC and AB. So AC and AB are equal. This line is equal to this line. AB is equals to AC, and show that these altitudes are equal. So you have to prove this is given, and also angle B is equals to angle C. This is also given. And now you have to prove that BE is equal to CF. Now, children, what is the meaning of an altitude? Put on your mic and speak. Yes, children. What is the
Ma'am,
meaning of an
line
altitude?
BE and CF are the altitudes.
Yeah, BE and CF are altitude. So, what does it mean to be an altitude? Children, altitude basically means it is falling at 90-degree angles, right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's equivalent to a perpendicular. The height of anything that you can call it as a perpendicular or an altitude. So B is basically the height, right? So BE and CF, both of them are altitude. So now, children, these two triangles we have to take. Look very carefully. I will take this. And I will take this one. And now, children, I told you whenever you will have overlapping triangles, what you will do is you will draw them separately. As your rough work, you can do it for your reference. Draw them separately. This is which one? B, E, A. Okay, this becomes 90-degree. And next you have is this is C, F, A. This is also 90-degree. Angle A and angle A is common for both, right? And what else is given to us? That AB line is equal to AC line. So children, which congruency now I have?
Ma'am,
Which
SC.
Which one? You have
AS.
an angle, and side.
AS.
Yes, you have AAS congruency, and thus you can say that triangle AEB is congruent to triangle AFC by AAS congruency, and thus we can say that BE and FC are right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so children, do the third question on your own now. You can do it.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
Yes, ma'am. I completed.
Okay, next children. Do fourth one. Fourth question says, all of you have done right, no doubts?
No, ma'am.
ABC is a triangle in which altitudes DE and CF, two sides AC and AB are equal. Show that triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACF. So now this one also, children, you can do ABE and ACF, you have to prove to be congruent. And now AC and AB already are given to you are equal. So try this one also on your own. Fourth question, do it. Yes, children, completed. Shall we discuss?
1 minute, ma'am.
See, it's just similar question only. It's just earlier, like this side was given like same. It's the exact same question. Earlier, this side they were telling you to be equal. It's now just this side it's equal. So it's the same concept. Just the size they have differentiated. The congruency is also same. AAS only you will use. So that is why you do it quickly on your own and tell me if you can do it.
Ma'am, I got that SAS congruence. They are equal by SAS.
How come you're getting SAS?
Ma'am,
Which
because
other side?
AC equals AB, it's already given, and then BF
No,
equals
wait.
CF.
Where is AC and AC
Yes,
and
ma'am.
AB? Okay, yeah, they are equal.
Yeah, and then BF equals CF because each 90 degrees. And then,
Okay.
and then angle A is common.
Okay, so how come that's SES? Tell me. One second, remember now AC and AB are not equal. Read the complete statement. It says that altitudes BE and CF to the sides AC and AB are equal. So they are actually referring to the altitudes BE and CF are equal. Altitudes to the sides are equal. That means altitudes are equal to one another. That means given is that BE, this line is equal to this line. This angle is equal to this angle. Each 90 and this angle is common. So AAS you will have.
Ma'am, I complete.
Done. Everybody got by AAS only.
Yes.
Next student, shall I move to the next one? Also, remember now if you see that AB and now the second question is asking you to prove AB and AC are equal. That means it can't be true that AB and AC is given to you. They are actually asking you to prove them to you. Yeah, so you can write that AB and AC are equal to one another by CPCT. Easy. Shall we come to the next one now? Then shall we come to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this question says ABC and BBC are two isosceles triangles on the same base. Show that angle ABD and angle ACD are equal. So angle ABD, that means this angle and this angle you have to be proved to be equal. Now what we will do is we will erase this. Just erase this line. Erasing means do not consider this. And instead you draw a new construction AD. Construct AD. Okay. So what you will do is now next you will take this triangle and this triangle and you will write AB is equals to AC, angle BD is equals to CD and AD is equals to AD. These both things are given to you as common. This is already, sorry children, this is given to you as already given in the question and this is common. So you will have SSS congruency. And by SSS congruency, the triangles are congruent to one another and thus this angle is equal to this angle. Right? What is given? Given is AB equals to AC, BD equals to CD. What you have to prove? To prove is that angle B and angle C are equal. So what is the construction that you are doing? Construction is join point A and point B to get a line AD. Then what is the proof? You take the first triangle ABD, the second triangle ECD, and then prove them congruent by SSS, and then write B and C are equal by CPCT. Got it? Try the fifth one, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, by which congruence they are, like congruency they are equal?
SSS, side.
But ma'am, before when you have given us the congruencies, you did not give that SAS. You have given SAS, ASA, and AAS.
See, now sometimes what happens is, see, SSS is also a congruency. Just know this. I'll tell you one thing. Only A double S or SSA. These are not any congruency. Okay. ASA is there. AAS is there. Okay. And then AAS, you can call SAA also, but we generally write angle first. So AAS. Then SSS is also a congruency. Then SAS is also a congruency. And then we also have one more. We have RHS. Now RHS also we study separately, but these are all the congruencies that we can have. It might be the case they've not mentioned in the examples, so it would have been missed, but SSS is there.
Done now.
Done. Okay, so now come to the next one.
Yes, ma'am, done.
We don't have a mar in the class. Okay, so now next one says triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB and AC equal. Okay, the figure is given. This is an isosceles triangle ABC, and they're telling you AB and AC are equal. Side BA is produced to be such that AD and AB are also equal. So basically AD, AB, AC, all of them are equal. You have to prove that BCD is right angle. BCD. So you have to prove this is right angle triangle. Right? So all of you first of all copy the figure quickly. All of you will copy the figure and just do as I tell you. Children, if you've copied, just tell me.
Done.
Done? All
Yes.
of you, shall I
Yes.
begin the solution? Okay, now children, what does this question say is basically, let's write given. So given is that AB is equals to AC is equals to AD. Okay, and what do you have to prove? Angle BCD is 90 degrees. Now children, let's come to the proof. All of you will listen very carefully. First you will look here, then you will mark in your figures. So what I have is, let's call this as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4. Okay, now can I say that all of you mark it in your notebooks, angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, and angle 4? Now basically I have to prove BCD is 90 degree. So BCD is how much? BCD is actually angle 2 plus angle 3, right? Just remember this thing also. So when I start my proof, what happens? First of all, can I say that angle 1 and angle 2 are equal? Can I say this, children?
Yes.
Angle
Yes,
1 is equal to angle 2. And also, can I say that angle 3 is equals to angle 4? Angle 1 and angle 2. Now, children, see, you just don't have to write it. Actually, you write the whole statement. First, you will write in triangle ABC, angle 1 is equals to angle 2. And in triangle, then I'm taking the bigger triangle, so BCD. No, ADC. Angle 3 is equals to angle 4. Now, children, if I consider the entire triangle, so in triangle BDC, what do I have? I have angle 1 plus angle 4 plus this entire angle. So this entire angle is how much? Angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to 180 degree. Right, children? I am applying the angle sum property in this entire triangle. This is my entire triangle. I am applying the angle sum property and I get angle 1 plus angle 4 plus this entire angle. So this entire angle is actually BCD and BCD is equals to 2 plus 3 only. Right? So what will I do is also I have angle 1 was equal to angle 2. See? So instead of angle 1, can I write angle 2 only? I can do that. Also, instead of angle 4, can I write angle 3? Yes, because they are also equal. So angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 remains as it is equals to 180 degree. Now can I write twice of angle 2 plus twice of angle 3 is 180 degree. I take 2 common. So angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180 degree. So angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180 by 2, 90 degree. Right? So
yes.
that is only what I have to prove. Now you know that angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to BCD. Also, angle 2 plus angle 3 is equals to angle BCD. And then you write thus angle BCD is 90 degree and hence. Now children, this is an easier way to do the question. Okay, that's not how I'm explaining you. In your examination, like if your school teacher is teaching you by writing all the angles, like if she's writing angle ABC is equal to angle ACB, and then in the next step angle ACD is equal to angle ADC. So you can do by that method also. That is not wrong. But the point here is I'm just trying to simplify it. Okay. So in order to simplify it, I've written it like this. So all of you just copy this. Copy this and tell me if you got any doubts. Done, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Anybody
ma'am.
got any doubts in this?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so now, children, we just have question number 7 and 8 that are left. And after that, one last exercise. This is supposed to be on midpoint theorem. No, we have RHS convergency. Okay. So, children, by the next class, we'll just try to finish up this lesson. Question 7 and 8, I'll be giving you as assignments. So keep practicing well, okay? Even the previous lesson, like also keep practicing for lines and angles. Because children, I noticed that lines and angles is weak for most of you. So practice lines and angles well. And also submit all your pending assignments, whatever it is, right?